Why are songs getting shorter? Is it because of TikTok, Spotify's 30-second royalty rule, or is there something deeper going on in the music industry? Today, we're unpacking what no one's really talking about, from historical trends to modern payouts, and whether writing shorter songs could actually make you more money. Let's dive in. Welcome back to AI Music Hustle, where we help musicians, producers, and creative entrepreneurs monetize their music using AI tools and smarter strategies. And right now, everyone's talking about short songs. Pop hits under 2 minutes. Viral TikTok tracks that barely have a second verse. But before you cut your song in half, here's what's really behind the trend. 1. Songs are getting shorter, but it's not new. Short songs aren't just a TikTok thing. They've been around for over a century. Back in the 1920s and 30s, songs were under 3 minutes because of 78 RPM vinyl limitations. That's where the classic ABBA song form came from. Simple, catchy, and compact. Fast forward to now, we're seeing the same trend resurface, but driven by completely different reasons. Today's average Spotify charting song is around 3 minutes and dropping every year. Some Grammy-nominated songs in 2025 were under 2.5 minutes. Lil Yachty's Poland, only 83 seconds, and it hit the Billboard Top 40. So what's behind it? 2. Streaming, TikTok, and hook-first writing. First, streaming platforms reward fast impact. Spotify pays artists after 30 seconds of playtime. So if your song is short, people might replay it more. More plays equals more revenue. Then there's TikTok, where songs go viral for their hooks. Not the bridge, not the outro, just the part that grabs attention in 3 to 8 seconds. So naturally, artists started writing differently. Short intros, front-loaded hooks, fewer verses, more vibe. Modern production tools made it easier. People now write, produce, and record simultaneously using loops, chasing melodies over beat sketches. It's faster, more instinctive, and more hook-driven. 3. Does shorter is equal to more money? Here's the million-dollar question. Can shorter songs actually make you more money? Maybe, if you're already big. Short songs might get more streams per hour, especially if fans replay them. But longer songs can also dominate. The Weeknd's Blinding Lights has a 30-second intro and still became the most streamed song on Spotify. Uptown Funk is over 4 minutes, still crushing it. So length alone doesn't guarantee income. Replay value, quality, and emotional connection matter way more. 4. What smart artists should do. So how do you use this info? Don't just write short songs to game the system. Instead, use AI tools to draft short, catchy demos fast. Test different intro lengths, hook placements, and vibe shifts. Match your song's length to where it will live. YouTube Shorts, go short. Streaming, hook fast. Sync or album cuts, take your time. And always ask, what serves the music best? Short songs are trending, but that doesn't mean every song should be short. Understand the why behind the trend and make decisions that serve your creative vision and your strategy. If this gave you some clarity, hit subscribe because I've got more AI music insights coming every week. Drop a comment with your favorite short song or the longest track you think still slaps. Keep creating and keep hustling.